So guys, let's start the tutorial of Solar System Simulator. How to make your own solar system. First, and click this to have an asteroid belt version. Oh, and now click here if you want a planet that has life. Maybe make it much smaller or very big if you wanted it to be a gas giant. I need this to be one. Boom. Perfect. And let's try. Oh, bruh. Another. Like this ads. So let's just. Oh. What? So I have Roblox. So I'm not interested in it. And pick this if you want terraform planeta. Click rings Saturn, or if you want big, click custom rings and give it an atmosphere, I think, so it will be very realistic. I don't know what to do. Click. Voila! Here's your new planet. So, oops, it's glitching. So, Helios, please follow. Put another planet here, like our solar system with Mercury. Orbital per launch. Maybe like Mercury, I think. I like Mercury anyways. Oh, voila! It's like Mercury. Now, let's give them a name. This will be named Lars. I don't know. Larex, almost similar names. Only one letter to be similar. I don't know what to do about this. So let's just continue. Let's just put a gas giant. Oh. Just forgot. Bruh. I hate these ads. Madili. Okay, bro. I'ma delete this ad. I'ma kick this ad. So there will be no ads. I forgot to add this. Voila. Mass. Like mass. Boom. Pow. Lar. candy. Maybe let's just put it some